I'ma live my life. I'm gonna.
Daddy, wake up. It's Box Monday.
It's what?
It's Box Monday.
Oh, snap.
But Daddy,
Yes, sweetheart.
what about the baby?
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Unbox Wednesday, and today I have a special treat, but not in this package right here. It's my son right here who's going to be helping me do this unbox. Now this box, well, this package or unbox, or whatever you guys want to call it, Unpackage Wednesday, doesn't matter. But this is actually from Texas Precious Metals, and a lot of people did not know about them until I made my top 5 best places to buy gold and silver online. That's a long title. I'm pretty sure that was in the name, but I'll link the video so you guys can see it. But I'm gonna be unboxing gold and silver. Yeah, Daddy's gonna be unboxing, right? You guys should definitely leave a like if you think he's so cute. Definitely leave a like right there. All right. But welcome to another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future video. Let's go.
I'm working for work and grind.
So now we're gonna start this unpackage. I think they stopped sending boxes to me because you will not get the best of me.
And interpret this, the splash from the top rope.
You guys know how that works. So let's open it up. Let's see what we have here. Oh, they had to give it to me in the... That's weird. Normally the bag is in the box, but now the box is in the bag. So how do I open this? This is weird. But I like the packaging. The packaging is beautiful. Let's open it here and find out what I get. Let's see. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I like the packaging. Okay. So this was about let's see what's the paper says first. Ooh, nice texture. I like that. Okay. So I brought 3 items and it came up to $57. Yeah, that's right. $57. So the first item I have here is the buffalo. Beautiful right there. It's a buffalo round. And as you can see, they come with his own stamp too. I like that. Good packaging for Texas Precious Metals. Look at that right there. So beautiful. All right, then we also have an American Eagle. I like to get as much as I can, possibly. There you go, right there, 2016. You guys can see that. And then the third thing I got was the Texas Precious Metal bar, 1/4 ounce. Beautiful right there. I like it. Awesome, amazing, cool. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Don't put that in your mouth. Don't put that in your mouth. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Little urban lifestyle right there. So that's pretty much all I have. In the recaps, we got the Eagle, we have the bar from Texas Precious Metal themselves, we also have the buffalo. Now I am on father duty, as you guys can see, so I do gotta head back and do my father duty jobs. Alright, but thank you guys so much for watching. He's so cute, and if he's so cute, you guys should definitely subscribe and like and share. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Look at you, look at you. Look at you, so cute, laughing. Alright guys, thank you for watching another video and have a wonderful day.
Oh, that really hurts.